How to draw a Popit, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing our Popit, we're going to begin by making a small W-like shape towards the right side of our page. This small W-like shape will make it appear as if there is a bite that has been taken out of our Popit popsicle. Once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to draw a curvy L-like shape. We're going to draw that right in this region. This will be the base of our Popit popsicle. Nice! Now we're going to connect what we just drew to that W-like shape that we first drew together. And if you're new to the channel, then I just want to say welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Well done. Now on the very bottom of our popsicle, we're going to make the stick by making a small U-like shape. Now, on the inside of the stick that we just drew, we're going to draw a circle. Next, on the inside of our Popit, we're going to draw a total of 7 lines going across from left to right. We'll want to make sure that all the lines are fairly spread apart. And just in case if you want to match your colors, at the end of today's video I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Nice! Now we just have to draw 3 more. Next, on the inside of the lines, we're going to begin to draw all of the circles, beginning from the very top. In total, we should have roughly around 40 circles altogether. And another thing to keep in mind is that when I draw my circles, I'm trying to draw them in a line. That way, none of the circles seem to be out of place. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can also learn how to draw a Popit. That will also help us continue to grow our drawing community together. If you want to learn how to draw more Popits, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our drawing of a heart Popit. So far, making really good progress. We just have to fill in 3 more lines, then we'll be all done. Keep in mind that if you have any drawing requests that you would like to request, then comment them down below in the comments, or email them to us at learnhowtodrawhub@gmail.com. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and fill in this last row. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share them on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. And don't forget that at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. And if you'd like to help continue to grow our community, then give this video a big like. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.